Hey, I'm here today to talk about the new Moisture Recovery Cream. So if you have received this recently, since we just launched it on February 14th, I wanted to give you best practices and tips and tricks for using this super lush moisturizer. So again, this is gonna be a cream if you are dry, dehydrated, sensitive, usually your barrier is going to be a little bit more compromised than most. So this is probably going to be your 24/7, 365 moisturizer. If you're combination oily, combination dry, sensitive, you might use this at night only. You might use this morning and night in the winter. You might phase out of it in summer. You might always have it on hand for those instances where you just need a little oomph, or you have drier areas and you leave it off of your oilier areas. So with all products can absolutely be used, like your skin and face, it has micro ecosystems, which it does. We all are sort of a combination. You know, we have drier skin here, oilier skin there, sensitive skin there. This can be mixed and matched and layered like all the other Jordan Samuel skin products. Best practice for a really basic routine, you're gonna go with a great cleanser, whether after show or matinee, gel or cream. Go in on damp skin with either the mist or hydrate serum or antioxidant serum, eye gel, and then moisture recovery cream. If you're keeping it really simple, cleanse, and then on a damp skin, follow up with moisture recovery cream. If you want to do a bit of a combination, you could put the Hydrate Facial Serum right into the Moisture Recovery Cream. You can put the Siero Antioxidante right into the Moisture Recovery Cream, same as you do with the Performance Cream. So this is rich in texture, buttery frosting, buttercream frosting, really nice and rich and protective, and gives an amazing natural glow to the skin. It doesn't make you super shiny and glowy. It's not greasy. It absorbs right in. You only need a little bit. Again, it's the beautiful Ceramide NG with shea butter and glycerin and squalane and fatty acids and triglycerides. It is fragrance free. A little goes a long way. Just make sure you warm it up and then put it on your skin. It can be layered with all of the serums in our line. It can be mixed with all of the serums in our line. If you're even more dry, then this will be able to help with. You can layer it over one of the serums and layer an oil on top, whether it's the retinol treatment oil or the soothing facial oil, or again, mix either of them in. So super straightforward, super easy to use. I hope you've been enjoying the Moisture Recovery Cream. The response has been amazing. The reviews have been amazing. Thank you so much. And until next time, bye.